Hello, how are you all? In today's class, you will learn about engulfing, which engulfing to take or not to take, and then you'll get trend line liquidity. It's not trend line, it's liquidity. After that, there's a whole section on backtesting, how to do backtesting, and then we'll discuss entry modules. All right, first of all, this is our class number 5 on engulfing. We have done proper backtesting from here to here in 5 classes. Now in the fifth class, we'll move forward to see which engulfing to take or not. I'll explain it once again. I tell you in every class so that you know what to take. Here see, this candle has taken the low of this candle. It took the low and closed above its high. So this engulfing is valid for us. And here see this engulfing. This one is not for us. We shouldn't take this engulfing. After that, if we see which zone we have marked, this zone is our daily. It had swept the high of this block and below it was a curve. We took a buy entry on its flip which we had caught in the previous class. So next, let's move on here. See, its targets have been hit, so now let's move on. If you see the market here, there's also liquidity lying here. And if you see, the market has swept this low and closed above it. Which internal liquidity is this? This one, this is its internal liquidity lying here. If the market comes below this low, we'll prepare for its polish again. I'll also tell you about the entry modules, which ones to take and which ones not to take. We'll take them when the entry is made. All right, let's let the market run, put it on the daily and let it come to our zone. If the market comes, we'll polish it. See, it's coming near our zone. The market is coming near our zone. After that, we can start detecting the structure here. If we look at the structure, but the market, as we learned in the previous class, all right. Now, if you see here, let's refine its liquidity level. This is sell side, buy side, and this is its liquidity. So how to refine it? I'll simply tell you. You can also see it on the line chart. When the market moves like this, taking sell side and buy side liquidity, the liquidity lying in this wave is range liquidity. After doing this, we polish the market. We'll see the market coming here like this and it will do this, so we'll polish it. These are its sounds, and after buy side and sell side, when it does physical, we'll do this here. This I told you to only take daily engulfing, and take this engulfing that I've marked here. Take this engulfing like this one, and you can't take any other engulfing. See, it won't work here. All right, now we'll put it on H1 and see it hasn't shifted yet. This is lying here, it should be picked. If you see, the market has done sell side here and here it's done some right side, but it doesn't have liquidity. There's no range liquidity and this low hasn't happened. So what's the market doing here? It's making a trap, making its trap here. See how fast it came down. In the daily, if you see, no one has swept this low yet. See, now it has swept. See how it swept here. Before this level, see, the market is giving confirmation that it's making ATR and liquidity, indicating it can go up. It has also swept this low. Now, on the shorter time frame, feel the shift in its structure on the 5-minute or 15-minute chart. If you put it on the line chart, our structure hasn't shifted yet. See, there's no shift here. If you see on the line chart, the shift isn't happening, so we'll wait for its structure to shift. Here, even on H1, if you see, the market is tapping and going. So we'll wait for the structure to shift here. On the 5-minute, it might have happened, but not on the 5-minute yet. So it can come down here. If you put it on the line chart, see on the line chart, it has done sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity. So we'll look at the internal range liquidity on a smaller time frame. This is all its liquidity lying here. After refining it, it can be safe. Here we can take a buy risk, which will have its stop loss below this low. Here, its stop loss will be because we are trading from the daily. We'll range the structure. Now, since we've taken the trade with 15 minutes, we'll plan its drawing with H1. Because here, it has done the sell side structure. It hasn't eaten the buy side liquidity here. If you see, It has done the sell side, but it hasn't shifted its buy side structure yet. We can see it on H1. All right, now we'll see what special thing the market holds in the range. The market is in the range here. See, the market's structure in the range. See, it has shifted here. Now, when the market comes down for retracement, we'll polish it once. It's coming for retracement. The market is showing a vision. See, this is its range liquidity now. See which range liquidity has formed here. So when the market comes below this low, we'll polish it. See, when it picks it, the market will polish. See, it has picked it. Now we can prepare another buy according to H1 here. Let's let H1 run a bit. All right, now we'll see both time frames have polished. If the market tests, we'll then take this. The market came to stop and test which level. See, the market went here and this mistake happened when taking the entry. If there's a mistake, you won't have any issue. Here, we'll wait for the structure to shift again. The market has reached the session, so there's no issue. Now we'll wait for the structure to shift again. Let's go to H1 or 15 minutes if we are clear. Even on 15 minutes, the structure hasn't shifted here. H1 is still there. If we enlarge the 15-minute chart a bit, put it on the line chart, see there's sell side liquidity, and here what is it? It's buy side liquidity. So which internal liquidity is this? This one is lying here. So from here we could have polished it, but the market is above, no issue. We'll polish it from here. Here our targets are long. Let's see here, no issue. Now we'll wait for the structure to shift. On 15 minutes, it had already shifted. So the market is lying near this liquidity. See, it's lying here. Let's see here. Put it on the line chart. The structure has shifted here. Here we'll do another buy from this session, and our target is the right entries. All right, put it on the session and see. Here we have one. Wait for the polish. One polish has happened. The market took this zone. See, after taking this zone, the market polished. The market will rarely come to take this zone. All right, now let's run it next. All right. If the direction is clear, you won't face any issues here. We were marking the clip zone after picking it. This engulfing has become useless. So if any engulfing appears below, we should mark it. And if you see here, this was also an engulfing that we didn't notice, which was sealing it. See, it got handled, not scandal. The high was shifted to the sweep. So you should properly mark it. Okay, now let's put it on the day. After putting it on the day, see this. Market correction is happening near this zone. This pulp, like the previous pulp, we can take this pulp here too. If you see in H1, its structure also goes to the buy side. Then if we put it on 5 minutes, its structure quits a bit. If it goes to the buy side, you should prepare for it. See, if the market's structure goes to buy, you will further buy from this flex zone. Let's reduce the label. So let's form a proper structure. Now the structure has shifted. You see, it has shifted here. If it goes to the buy side, you can prepare a buy here, which has also swiped its handle low because the market. This is a high confirmation trade. Here we take another trade on the structure shift. Daily, there's a chat here. Why aren't we selling? Because our structure is on the buy side. But look, celebrate here. Dorothy can open something here in the Metron. Now we'll keep it on the peel to see what it thinks. See here, finally, the show is also marked when the open citizenship setup happened because we are going to the buy side, the market. See, our target is easily done. Why aren't we selling? Because we don't have any pattern here for selling. So why should we sell? Our structure is telling us to buy. It's also saying buy, so we'll trade buy until there's a sell. Now see, it has also picked this. All the liquidity levels are formed. This is all its security market because there's no engulfing here. There's no engulfing below, nor is this an engulfing. This was a pull long, and if you see here, you can take this engulfing. See, this candle swipe the high of this candle, and you can take this engulfing. This is here. Okay, now let's move down. See here, now you see this candle broke the high of this candle and closed below it. It's long, and see here, its lower wick is small, meaning this candle looks bigger than this candle. This is also an engulfing bundle. See this candle, it's bigger than this candle, isn't it? So we can take it here too. If there's a market death in this candle and the structure shift of S1 is happening, you can see the benefits of the deal here. If you see, there's a C1 in the daily, and if you see in the 15-minute, there's no, it's small here. See here, it didn't do anything on S1, and on the daily, this zone is there. If we can put it on 5 minutes, then put it on the line chart. See on the line chart what the market has done. Buy side and sell side both are done here. So it's near its range equity. From here we prepare a sell and our target will be this daily one here. But see, the market target was here. It won't be scared. Okay, well, simple trade that will be according to 5 minutes. See here, the trade is scared. If it happens like this, the market had already done its equity there. See here, the market tapped in this zone. After tapping, it will throw this zone again. In this zone, we can consider it for buying. If you see here, its structure is sell side and this buy side is its liquidity, and all these are drawn real liquidities. If it comes below its low, we will buy it. Let's run it on 15 minutes. See, our pass is low and see the 15-minute structure here. The deal side and buy side are not major. They are minor here, and the structure of S1 has shifted here. So here we do a buying according to 5 minutes. It's below the low, and in the daily what we had was this low. So here we take a trade when it opens. If it takes the low, then we'll plan below it, otherwise we'll run it. See here, this is the next candle. It opened, didn't take it here. The market is in the same zone, and see the next candle swipe the low of this candle. So now after the structure shift, we can take its buy structure, because if we put it on the line chart, this structure shifts to sell side on it and it's going to buy side. But see here, after this zone, we put it on 15 minutes and see, wait for the structure shift. See here, its sell side is also done and the market is going to buy side. This is what's forming, but if the market has figured it out, we can go in its buy. Then we take it in its buy like this and we can target it. See here, this light police will be very easy. See this. After this zone, the market is going. See how it has come out after wrapping it. See the polish. And if you see in S1, it's not lying here. It's all lying here. If it picks this, then our daily one here, which is this down, will make us sell. This one is tapped, so next there are wraps in it. Not that we have any down for buying. This is the down, which is the poorest. So next we see in H1. Okay, in H1 the market is tapping something. Before that, if you see, liquidity is forming again here. So we see it picking this. See, the market went first target done, the one we took from below daily. This one and this one, understand the situation here. What's the situation? We're not going against the market. The market is telling its story candle by candle. I want to go this side, you trade on this side, and if you see here, this candle engulfs this candle, so this is also a confirmation of an engulfing pattern. Okay, it should stop here because this is the sell side. See how big the candle is. It's with momentum. It closed below it, and if we see, it also swiped this high here because it was H1. Now we wait for the structure shift of H1. See this, see this. This is also pick. Okay, this is also pick, this is also pick. Now see here, its structure is coming to the sell side. See the structure sell side, which was storm by storm, is sold. So we take a sell trade here, which is in the daily. Our target is the first target. Sorry, this is not the throat. The SL we have, this is its first target, and the second target, if the market goes above it, then with more confirmation, because here storm by storm sell, the market does this, so the storm comes down. So its second target is this. Okay, because this one is also tapped, this one is also tapped. So next, let's see what happens in the market. See, after a storm by storm sell, the market is stuck in this zone. If you see here, the structure hasn't shifted yet. If you see on 15 minutes, the structure has shifted here. This was a sell setup and it was a buy, sorry, sell setup, and it has been bought now. All its liquidity is lying here. So see, if it goes over it, we will sell it further. All right, let's put it on H1 and see its position on the daily. Look at this on the daily. Rejection on the daily. In the same zone, look here, in the same zone, what did the marker do? It engulfed the buy setup's liquidity and the sell setup's candle. So we have another engulfing pattern here. Now some people might say this isn't a buy candle at all. Both are sell candles, so this is forming in our direction. Look here, it's forming in the direction, so we can take it. Why not take it? Because its body is very small and it has engulfed it and is right next to our zone, so we can take it. Here the H1 structure has also shifted, so we have further confirmation on which side the market is leaning. All right, so now we will run it on H1. It's small. All right, look at the market. This liquidity is lying here. It's lying here, and from above, grab it and talk about it. All right, let the market grab this one, then we will sell the market, or grab this one, we will sell. Look, the market has grabbed this too. It grabbed that one too. How many points the market is selling from where we were selling it? Here we put it on the daily. This target, let's see the session. Here, the New York high session, the market can go down from here, these two. The same candle here, it has given us, it's selling here, it's the same candle, the NSO one, it has swept here. Here this candle has swept its liquidity, and here we were putting this zone, and look here, the foreigner has swept all its dove here. Here all tick tick tick. All right, here this whole setup testing is done. Here the clear arrangement was told how to do its sell testing and how to plan its trade. So from here we will do the next class. From here we will start it. What will be the next of the market? Which one can we take and how to take it? See you in the next class. Goodbye.